What if the secret to stopping aging isn't found in expensive supplements, but sitting right in your kitchen spice rack? Recent studies show that a simple herb most people throw away could be more powerful than $1,000 NAD plus pills. Scientists have discovered something shocking about parsley that changes everything we thought we knew about aging. Most people think NAD plus supplements are the holy grail of anti-aging. Millions of dollars are spent on pills promising to boost this vital molecule. But here's what supplement companies don't want you to know: your body has a hidden enemy that's destroying NAD plus faster than you can replace it. It's called CD38, and it's the real reason why expensive NAD supplements often fail. Think of NAD plus as your cellular fuel. Every cell in your body needs it to produce energy, repair DNA, and fight aging. When you're young, you have plenty of it. But as you get older, NAD plus levels drop by up to 50%. This isn't just about feeling tired. Low NAD plus is linked to cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and brain problems. Scientists call NAD plus decline one of the main hallmarks of aging. Researchers have spent years trying to boost NAD plus with supplements like NMN and NR. These are supposed to turn into NAD plus in your cells. But here's the catch. They totally overlooked the big picture. It's like trying to fill a bucket that has a giant hole in the bottom. No matter how much you pour in, it just keeps leaking out. Recent research from top universities reveals the shocking truth. CD38, an enzyme that increases as we age, is the main culprit destroying NAD plus in our bodies. This enzyme literally eats NAD plus for breakfast. Studies show mice that lack CD38 seem to have better protection against mitochondrial issues and resist diabetes as they get older. Here's where it gets interesting. Scientists discovered that certain natural compounds can block CD38. Flavonoids, like apigenin, have been shown to inhibit CD38 and increase NAD plus levels. But here's the kicker. Apigenin is widely distributed in plants such as parsley, celery, and chamomile, with parsley being particularly rich in this compound. This challenges everything the supplement industry tells us. Instead of spending hundreds on NAD plus boosters, you might get better results from a handful of parsley. CD38 breaks down NAD plus and its precursor NMN. So using CD38 inhibitors like apigenin might boost NAD plus levels even better. Let's talk about what happens when you block CD38. Studies using apigenin as a CD38 inhibitor showed significant reduction in kidney damage, including reduced inflammation and cellular damage. In animal studies, apigenin improved learning and memory in older mice and reduced tumor development. One study found that CD38 inhibition increased lifespan by 17% in male mice. The link between cancer and AT+ is super interesting. Cancer cells gobble up NAT+ to grow, but when you block CD38 and boost NAT+, healthy cells thrive while cancer cells struggle. Studies show apigenin helps fight breast, colon, and prostate cancers. Chronic inflammation is where this approach really shines. Apigenin helps calm things down by boosting cellular energy. When cells have enough NAD+, they can handle inflammation better instead of being stuck in a constant panic mode. But how much parsley do you actually need? Most studies use concentrated apigenin extracts equivalent to eating large amounts of fresh parsley daily. While apigenin can be found in parsley, especially dried parsley, it's much easier to get a worthwhile amount when taking it in supplement form. However, including parsley regularly in your diet, along with other apigenin-rich foods like celery and chamomile tea, creates a foundation for better NAD metabolism. Timing is key. Older cells have less NAMPT, which is super important for recycling NAD, leading to lower NAD+ levels. By blocking CD38 early and consistently, you prevent the downward spiral before it accelerates. What makes this approach different from traditional anti-aging strategies? Most people focus on adding things: more supplements, more treatments, more interventions. But sometimes the best approach is removing obstacles. CD38 is like a drain in your cellular energy bathtub. You can keep adding water, or you can plug the drain. This doesn't mean NAD precursors are useless. The smartest approach combines both strategies. Use CD38 inhibitors like apigenin to plug the leak, then add precursors to fill the tank. Research shows that apigenin supplementation results in increased NAD+ levels and better protein regulation. The food industry hasn't caught up to this research yet. You won't see parsley marketed as an anti-aging superfood, even though the science supports it. There's no money in telling people to eat more herbs, but smart consumers who understand the research can get ahead of the curve. Other natural CD38 inhibitors include quercetin, found in onions and apples. Green tea contains compounds that may help. But apigenin from parsley appears to be one of the most potent and well-researched options available from food sources. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity and safety. Unlike synthetic drugs or experimental treatments, apigenin has been consumed by humans for thousands of years. Parsley, celery, and chamomile tea are foods, not medicines. They come with built-in safety profiles and additional health benefits. Looking at the research timeline reveals how recent these discoveries are. Studies on CD38's role in aging are still emerging, with comprehensive reviews published as recently as 2025. We are witnessing the birth of a new understanding of aging biology. The implications go beyond individual health. Natural CD38 inhibitors prove as effective as early research suggests. It could democratize anti-aging interventions. Instead of expensive treatments available only to the wealthy, anyone could access these benefits through dietary choices. What's next for this field? Researchers are working on more potent natural CD38 inhibitors and better delivery methods. But you don't have to wait for future developments. The tools are available now, growing in gardens and sitting on grocery store shelves. The key takeaway isn't to abandon all other health practices in favor of parsley. It's to understand that aging is complex, and sometimes the most powerful solutions come from unexpected places. By addressing root causes like CD38-driven NAD depletion, rather than just symptoms, we can potentially slow aging at the cellular level. Your body is constantly making choices about how to allocate limited resources. When NAD+ is scarce, it prioritizes survival over longevity. When NAD+ is abundant, cells can invest in repair, maintenance, and optimization. CD38 inhibitors like apigenin help tip that balance in favor of health and longevity. The parsley sitting in your refrigerator might not look like cutting-edge anti-aging technology, but science suggests it could be exactly that. Sometimes the most advanced solutions are also the most ancient ones, waiting patiently for science to rediscover their power. For anyone ready to slow aging, improve skin clarity, and boost energy, our Beauty Reset Protocol offers a practical, science-backed roadmap to renew from within. Click the link in the description and start your beauty and health biohacking journey today. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and remember that true beauty starts from within.